Hey, Jack. How's your day going?
Hi, Emma. Pretty good, thanks. I just finished my morning routine and finally have some free time.
Nice. Actually, that gives me an idea. Why don't we talk about daily routines today?
That sounds great. Daily routine is such a useful topic because everyone talks about it.
Exactly. It's one of the first things English learners usually learn how to talk about what they do every day.
All right, let's start simple. Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early. Do you wake up easily?
Not really. My alarm rings at 6:30, but sometimes I stay in bed for another 10 minutes.
Haha, I do that too. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but I hit the snooze button at least twice.
That's very common. So, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. I try to start my day healthy.
That's a good habit. I usually make my bed first. It makes my room look neat.
That's smart. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. Then I usually take a shower.
Morning shower or evening shower?
Definitely morning. It helps me feel awake.
Interesting. I usually shower at night because it helps me relax.
Both are good, I think.
True. What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, almost every day. I usually eat toast, eggs, and sometimes fruit.
That sounds healthy. I'm a coffee person. My breakfast is usually just coffee and maybe a sandwich.
Just coffee? I'd be hungry in 1 hour.
Honestly? Yes, me too.
So after breakfast, what do you do?
I usually start work at 8:30. I work from home, so I just turn on my laptop and begin.
That's convenient. I usually leave home at 8 o'clock because I work at an office.
How long does it take you to get there?
About 30 minutes by bus.
That's not too bad. Do you listen to music on the way?
Sometimes music, sometimes podcasts, especially English podcasts.
Good choice.
What about your workday? Are you busy?
Usually, yes. I answer emails, attend meetings, and work on projects.
Sounds similar to my day. I also spend a lot of time in meetings,
Do you have lunch at home or outside?
usually at the office cafeteria. What about you?
At home. I try to cook simple meals like fried rice or noodles.
Oh, you cook?
A little. Not like a chef, but enough to survive.
That counts.
After lunch, I continue working until around 5 p.m.
Same. By the afternoon, I usually start feeling tired.
Me too. Around 3 p.m., I always need another coffee.
Or tea.
Yes, tea works too.
What do you usually do after work?
I like to go for a walk or go to the gym.
That's healthy. I usually go home and relax for a while.
How do you relax?
I watch YouTube, listen to music, or talk to my family.
That sounds nice. I sometimes read a book, mostly self-development books.
Very productive.
I try.
What about dinner?
I usually eat dinner around 7 p.m.
Same here. Dinner is my favorite meal.
What do you usually eat?
Rice, vegetables, and chicken. Pretty simple.
Sounds delicious.
After dinner, I prepare for the next day.
Like choosing clothes?
Yes, and checking my schedule.
That's organized. I should do that.
It helps reduce stress.
Good tip. So, what time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m., I need enough sleep.
That's early. I usually sleep around midnight.
That's too late.
I know. I need better habits.
Maybe start by sleeping 30 minutes earlier.
Good idea.
So, everyone listening, what about your daily routine?
What time do you wake up?
What do you do in the morning?
Do you exercise?
Do you eat breakfast?
Try answering these questions in English because small practice every day makes a big difference.
Practice every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Thanks for listening. Bye.
See you in the next episode. Bye.